Hello, welcome to Cloud Support. Today I'm going to show you how to generate a report on FiOS. Go to the Reports tab on the top panel. Then you can select the report template that is required from the drop-down here, or you can search it from here as well. For example, the object is a vehicle or the asset that you want to run the report for. So select the vehicle or the asset, then select the time from here. Or there is a prefixed time slots mentioned here: today, yesterday, week or month. If you select today, it will generate the report for today. Or if you need a custom period, select the calendar date from here. Change the type from typing it here. Or you can change the time from the calendar itself. Then select Execute Report. It will generate a report from the custom period you selected or the time you selected from above. Once generated, you can see it on the left side. You can see the results here. So this report can be exported into a PDF or an Excel file, or else you can print it by selecting on Print. Thank you for watching Cloud Support.